The ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder 145A offers a versatile 3-in-1 functionality, combining flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding options to cater to a wide range of welding needs. With its synergic control feature, this welder automatically adjusts the current and wire feeding speed for optimal performance, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. Weighing only 11.79 pounds, this portable welder is easy to transport, allowing you to conveniently carry it to various job sites. Equipped with a digital control system, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder ensures precise adjustments for different materials and thicknesses, resulting in consistent, high-quality welds. Safety is a top priority, as this welder has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand harsh environments, and it includes multiple protective features such as overcurrent and overvoltage protection. The ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, thanks to its comprehensive features and reliable performance.